This 2025 NuCamp TAB 320 Boondock Black Canyon is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new NuCamp is 15 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 2, external shower, TV, refrigerator, LP detector, smoke detector, water heater, auxiliary battery, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, and 22 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 NuCamp TAB 320 Boondock Black Canyon is 2,069 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.